And this just into the newsroom. U.S. Supreme Court Justice John Roberts pauses the deadline for the return of a Maryland man mistakenly deported to El Salvador. Roberts ruled in favor of the Trump administration's request to pause the order of Kilmar Abrego Garcia's return to the United States from El Salvador by midnight tonight. CTV's Bryce Parker is in the studio with the latest.
So, Mariah, on Friday, an order to return Kilmar Abrego Garcia to the United States before midnight tonight was submitted by U.S. District Court Judge Paula Zenas following the admission from the U.S. government that Abrego Garcia was wrongfully deported. But things swiftly took a turn after Friday's hearing. The Department of Justice submitted a request to the U.S. Court of Appeals to pause Judge Zenas' order. That request was denied by a Richmond, Virginia federal appeals court. But the Trump administration has now stepped in, urging the U.S. Supreme Court to intervene. The Trump administration cites Abrego Garcia's alleged involvement as an MS-13 gang member and him now being in custody of a foreign government as grounds to pause the order. Abrego Garcia's attorney and family believe that ICE and the Justice Department's actions are consistent with circumventing the justice system. Abrego Garcia's lawyer stated, quote, "The government admitted to deporting our client illegally, yet are fighting tooth and nail to keep him locked away in a prison halfway across the world." Further mentioning that if ICE can ignore laws and the courts, then, quote, "our laws are meaningless." Additionally, Kilmar's wife, Jennifer, has been pleading with President Donald Trump and El Salvador's President Nayib Bukele to find it in their hearts to bring her husband home, citing the pain and suffering that grows for her family with every passing day.
Hace unos días vi mi hija de 10 años intentando de mandarle mensajes a Kilmar desde su tablet,
telling him how much she misses him, wishing she could trade places with him.
And according to Abrego Garcia's family, the government's claim that he's an MS-13 gang member is false and unsupported by facts. Abrego Garcia also has no criminal record since his order granting him the right to stay in the U.S.